Welcome to iVengers News. We are Internet Ambassadors.
Today we will be interviewing 2 visitors, but first there's more.
Hello, and I love Among Us What's a Game, and
I love the internet and enjoy playing games such as Minecraft.
we are iVengers to motivate online safety, and we are leaders ready to help everyone make safer choices on the internet.
Also, we are going to expand our school pupils and parents' knowledge of how to use the internet more, like playing games responsibly.
Parents will be taught how to help their children use the internet while staying safe.
Here comes one of our brilliant internet safety guests. Hello and welcome to iVengers News.
Hi, and I'm interested in what you do as an iVenger. Tell me a little bit about your job.
As an iVenger, our team's job is to make sure everyone can enjoy the internet while staying safe online.
Thanks. That sounds like helpful information for the whole community.
Thank you for coming. Here's our other brilliant iVenger.
Thanks. And here's our next fabulous guest. Hello, and I have a question for you. Fire away. How are the iVengers going to promote online safety? We are going to complete at least 6 tasks over the year that will change how people think and their behaviour so that everyone can enjoy the internet more safely.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. Make sure you look up more from the iVengers. So what's your next project going to be?
We'll be asking you to help us to create 12 top tips for staying safe at Christmas.
These top tips will help everyone enjoy the internet devices safely at Christmas.
But sadly, that's the end of our programme.
Bye for now.
Bye.